Well, hey there, it's Linda from All-in-One Middle School. I would like to give you a little preview of what you'll see in this product. It is a month-long unit, so there's a lot that goes into it, but I have it all organized for you. So let's take a look. I hope you have your volume on so that you can hear exactly what I'm saying. So the first thing you're going to see is that you get lesson plans for each and every day, and this is really going to be your guide. I have them all laid out for you in an organized way, and I'm just going to flip through some of them, and let's take a look at symbols. So day 8 is a lesson on symbols. I'll give you the objective, your standards, your materials, and by the way, if there's anything that needs to be linked, I do have it all linked for you as needed. There's an anticipatory set so kids can get ready to learn. Step-by-step for you and your students so you know exactly what to do. A closure activity, the assessment piece, and homework. These are editable, so you can make any changes and you can copy and paste them for your teaching needs as well. Here is the main slideshow that you will get. I do have some yellow flags on here, so when you get it, make your own copy and then make any changes, okay? You want the slideshow to come from you anyway. So the kids can type right in here, put their book title, the author, and their name. And then I have a table of contents, but this is going to be the kids' bread and butter, so to speak, because it's going to list all of the mini lessons, exactly what they need to do, and the slide that they can find it on. You can put in the date that you teach it and the due date. You can do that ahead of time or as you go along, or if it's too overwhelming, this is editable. Just get rid of the column. Okay, let me just show you that. Let's see here. Let's go down one. Let's go to symbolism. Here is the mini lesson. So you want to click on that link. It'll ask you if you want to make a copy. Make a copy. I would do this first as the teacher, make my own copy and reassign it on that slideshow. This way, like I said, it's coming from you. Or you can leave it as is. And you're going to see that you get your very own copy in your very own drive. So I would teach the mini lesson. I would pull the kids up, project it, and go through it. It's a pretty comprehensive mini lesson. Again, I flagged anything that's editable, so you can make any changes, and then you can just delete that. I've also given you a formatted blank slide in case you want to write anything in here of your own to add to the slideshow. Okay? So let's go back to this chart here. So if you look at this slideshow, you're going to see that these are all the mini lessons. Like I said, there's a one-pager project as an assessment, but there's also other things. I put in a scoring slideshow. You can edit that. I give them a reading plan, a time period assignment, directions on how to post an example entry, and then there are 5 entries with 5 matching discussion questions. So it really does have everything that you're going to need. If you have any questions, I hope that you'll email me at linda@allinonemiddleschool.com. Thank you so much.